This short video is being created to help you with some tips and tricks in preparation of your artist booking assignment. First off, you start with the instructions, and if you go further down, um, there's this thing called tips and tricks, and it's the easiest way to insert your offer sheet. So first off, you have to click on your offer sheet and open up your offer sheet. Once in your offer sheet, you're going to need to make your own copy of this. You're not going to be able to enter the information into this one. So I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go make a copy. And I'm going to go OK. Now this will go into a Google directory of your choice, wherever you want to do it. So that's step one done. Now that you've got your own file and your own template, you're going to be able to now go in and enter the information that you want. So as you would enter, and we've made it easy for you so that you don't have to become Google Sheet experts, but all the stuff in blue would need to be entered. So you would enter your ticket price, you would enter the comp kills, things like that. Now, once you're done this, you go to step 3, and you need to create a PDF. So in order to create a PDF, first what you need to do is select all of the data that you want to create your PDF with. So you basically drag your mouse and you select the entire set of data. You would go to Print. From the Print menu, this is what it would look like. You need to do a couple of things under step 3. First, you would select the print. So you'd select the print. You'd say selected cells. I only want to do the cells that I selected. You would paper size is correct. You would have it set at portrait. The scale, I would go. The scale is fit to page. In other words, I want everything to fit to the page. And then I would click next up above here. Once next comes above, this is what it looks like. This is kind of like a proof of my PDF. Instead of my destination printer being my actual printer, I will change it to save as a PDF, and I will hit save. Once this file is saved, then you are in a Word document. Let's open a Word document. And now that I've got a Word document here. From the Word document, I go Insert Objects. So I go to Insert. I go Pictures, Online Pictures, Object. And I go Adobe, Create from File, Browse. I'm going to find the file that I just created. There we go. There's my file. I'm going to insert that file. There it is. Now to make it easier on the graduate assistant, I might make it a little bit bigger so that they can more easily see my work. And done. Good luck on your assignment.